Aquarius, this is an excellent time for your career, work opportunities, ambition plan, future plan, working on management system, dealing with the rightful supporters and workers that could make it all happen. This is not a good period for group activities, social events, clubs, communities. There's too much a warring situation, clashes of indifferences, and you could be sandwiched between other people's conflicts. This is not a good time where you have to be careful of your health. If there are health problems for you or those close to you, attend for immediate attention. Try to take things calmly and relax. It could be a stir-up, a period that could lead to fear phobia. This is a good time for personal activities, starting new interests, moving in new direction, building up your outlook, personality, and all personal interests. This is not a good period for money matters, so there could be some quick wipe out of funds. So when you deal with financial matters, be very careful about how you throw your investment. Don't get yourself wiped out. And even the people that you have to deal with in investment matters. So be careful with your position, your possession, and all money policies. This is a lovely time for regional travel, negotiation, discussion, meetings, interviews, and even for signing agreements and contracts. This is an excellent time for family, domestic, in-house matters, close ones, near ones, dear ones, property dealing, improvement, buying, selling. Excellent. A wonderful time for children affairs and activities and mentoring them to the highest level. Also for friendship, sporting events, challenging enterprise, working on mental enterprising interests can all benefit at this time. This is not a good period, as liabilities, problems, difficulties could come up over working issues and people you have to work with. And health-wise, you might be a little bit suffering from tiredness and lethargy. An excellent period for partnership, joint venture, close union, togetherness, teaming up with others, and co-piloting of interests. You and the opposite number will be fabulously working as a couple. This is an excellent period for reshuffle, reorganization, working from behind the scene, tapping into finance resources, dealing with banking, dealing with new opportunities that you can tap from others. An excellent time for overseas matters, foreign affairs, dealing with hierarchy, dealing with knowledge, intelligence, and all kind of adventure.